Question 11 of KCSE 2025 Paper 2. Equations of a circle center -2, 3, and radius 5 units is drawn on a Cartesian plane. Determine the x-intercepts of the circle. The x-intercept is the point on the x-axis where the circle cuts that x-axis. Short, this is what we are told. This could be the circle. This point here, the center, is -2, 3, the x-axis, the y-axis. The x-intercepts is that point, and that point where the circle is cutting the x-axis. The radius from here to here, 5 units. Let us solve this question together. The general equation of a circle. General equation of a circle is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared, where AB is the center and r is the radius. In our case here, A is equals to -2, B is equals to 3, and R is equals to 5 units as given in the question. Therefore, substituting these values A, B, and R in our general equation here, we shall have x minus -2, we get x plus 2, then y minus b, which is 3, that squared gives us 25. 5 squared is equals to 25. Expand this part and that part and simplify. We get x squared plus 4x plus 4. That part expands this. This part expands to y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals to 25. Simplifying all these, we get x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y. 4 plus 9 is 13. If 25 is brought to this other side, becomes minus. So plus 13 minus 25 is equals to 0. Simplifying this part, we get x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y plus 13 minus this is equals to minus 12 is equals to 0. That is now the equation for that circle. We are trying to determine the x-intercepts. At x-intercept, the value of y is equals to 0, as we can see here. The value of y here is 0, the value of y here equals to 0. Therefore, we substitute y is equals to 0 in this particular equation. We're going to have x squared plus 4x, 0 squared is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, so minus 12 gives us 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We solve it using factorization method. We look for two numbers, p and q, such that p plus q is equals to 4 and p times q is equals to minus 12. If you look at this, the two numbers are 6 and minus 2. 6 and minus 2. We rewrite this equation using the two factors, x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 equals 0. Factorize this part and that part. What is common here is x. Inside the bracket, we have x plus 6, then minus 2, which is common, x minus, not minus but plus 6. The two brackets must be the same. So from there, we can see that either x minus 2, here we could have written x minus 2, x plus 6 equals to 0. So from there, you can see that either x minus 2 is equals to 0, implying that x is equals to 2, or x minus 6 equals to 0, implying that x, this is not minus but plus, x now becomes minus 6. Those are the x-intercepts for the circle.